Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the healthy pumpkin rice with no onion, no garlic. For this recipe, I'm taking half of a medium-sized pumpkin. Shred it this way and you will end up getting 1 cup of shredded pumpkin. Or else you can also cut it thinly into a very thin slices. Now let's see the other ingredients required. Cardamom, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 stalks of coriander leaves chopped finely, salt to taste, 1½ cup of cooked rice of your preference. Now let's start making the rice. Heat a pan, put in medium flame first, and then add in the 2 tablespoons of ghee, Once the ghee is melted, add in the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds are fried a bit, add in the curry leaves. And then add in the spices, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, and the cumin seeds. Fry it about 20 seconds before we add the pumpkins. Now we can add the pumpkins. You just need to fry the pumpkins for about 2 minutes before adding the rice. Add the salt at this stage. Now we are going to add the rice. Stir the rice until all the rice are covered with the pumpkin sauce. Finally, we will add in the chopped coriander leaves. That will give a very special aroma to this rice. You see, it only takes 5 minutes to make this healthy dish. You can serve with your favorite vegetables. I hope you like this video and you will try it at home. Thanks for watching.